This discovery is exciting because scientists are turning proteins into tiny biological smart switches. Proteins are the microscopic machines that make life work. They help cells sense what is happening around them and respond. Until recently, scientists mostly had to reuse proteins that already existed in nature. That limited what they could build. Now, researchers have shown that AI can help design new proteins that act like custom-made sensors. The idea is simple but powerful. Design a protein that stays off until it meets a specific molecule. When that target molecule appears, the protein turns on and produces a signal. That signal could be a color change, a flash of light, or even an electrical signal that can be read by a device, similar in principle to how a glucose meter reads blood sugar. The researchers connected AI-designed binding proteins, basically artificial molecular catchers, to enzymes that create easy-to-measure outputs. They showed that the system can detect small molecules, peptides, and larger proteins. They also demonstrated steroid detection using electrochemical biosensors and proved that these switches can operate inside living bacterial cells. One especially important finding is that these protein switches do not need to dramatically change shape to work. Scientists used to think big shape changes were necessary. This study suggests that even subtle changes in how a protein moves can be enough to switch activity on. That gives researchers a new design principle for building future biosensors. Why does this matter? Because this could lead to portable, low-cost sensing devices that detect disease markers, pollutants, toxins, hormones, or useful industrial molecules. In the future, smart protein sensors could support faster medical diagnostics, cleaner environmental monitoring, and engineered cells that respond intelligently to chemical signals. The reality check. This is not yet a consumer product. It is an important research advance published in Nature Biotechnology, not a ready-made diagnostic device. But the direction is very strong. AI is moving protein engineering from modify what nature gives us toward design what we need. That is a major step toward programmable biology.